Time right now is 6:38. TikTok is making a last-minute push to avoid a U.S. ban that's set to take effect next month. Now, it's appealing to the Supreme Court after losing earlier legal battles.
Hard to imagine
know.
your phones and all that without
Right.
TikTok, but it could be happening. But it is also trying to gain support from President-elect Trump. Annie is in studio to talk about where things stand. I mean, this is really a game changer for so many people these days.
It's a game changer, and we've been talking about it for
Right.
a while, and this is sort of a little bit of a plot twist right now. And President-elect Donald Trump is signaling that he might reevaluate a pending ban on TikTok. It is set to take effect January 19th, the day before his inauguration. That's unless TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, sells it to a non-Chinese buyer. A source says TikTok CEO actually met with Trump at Mar-a-Lago yesterday.
I have a warm spot in my heart for TikTok.
The ban is part of a law that Congress passed with bipartisan support that President Joe Biden signed in April, and it stems from concern among lawmakers that ByteDance poses a national security risk. That's because it's a Chinese company, of course, subject to the Chinese government. TikTok is suing over the ban, and in a filing yesterday, it is asking the Supreme Court to intervene. TikTok's attorneys want the justices to review their free speech rights and arguments and give the incoming Trump administration time to weigh in. And Allison Wisdom, they're asking the Supreme Court to decide on the emergency appeal by January 6th, which is, of course, right around the corner. So we could learn more by then. But just to sort of put this into perspective, at the top, we talked about how much of an impact this has. It's going to be a game changer if this happens, because we're talking about at least 150 million people who use TikTok. That was as of 2023, 150 million users. And many of them, you know, the influencers, they go through this creators fund if you qualify, and you can make a certain percentage based on, clicks and engagement and that sort of thing, and your followers. There was a survey recently done in 2022 that revealed that that some of the top tier TikTokers are making at least $100,000 per post. So, I mean, this is a lot of money that they're able to make. A lot of them earning, you know, of course, their income on this. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens.
And I was just looking, both Donald Trump and Joe Biden have TikTok accounts. So just in case you're one, it's not personal. They're doing this for these other reasons. We'll see what happens. January is right around the corner. Annie, thank you.